You made my day. Hurts to know you're going away. Seems like my life began to ruin now that you're departing pretty soon. But what more can I say? Yeah. Sad to know that you're leaving.